Now this figure 18-76 shows the procedure for sizing the overcurrent device to allow a fire pump to start and run, and sized large enough so that the pump will actually fail before the overcurrent device would open up. So everything is the same here. We have a fire pump, we have the fire pump wiring, we have the supply conductors coming in, a feeder being routed. We have the same motor, 60 horsepower, 460 volt, three phase, design B. Now, this illustration shows the overcurrent device size from 695.5B as in boy, 695.4B1, and we can use the exception 4 to 230.90A for this particular installation. Always subject to the approval of the authority having jurisdiction as outlined in 90.4 and the NEC. Now we're going to calculate the size of the overcurrent device in the next illustration.